super windy here. This is just the force of the water hitting the ground. You got a major wind coming right at you. Holy shit, you're like gale force right at the base. Holy shit, I'm soaked. Oh, man, I'm soaked. I was there for like 3 seconds. Oh, man. Man. Look at me. Okay, that's good. We're good. We're good to go now. Okay? Be a hero, huh? Be a fool. Look at that damn fool going there, that water there. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Freaking beat. Oh man. Vicky missed the whole thing. Oh well. I think he'd probably knock you out if you... Honey, I went over there. I went all the way over there.
Really?
Vicky missed the whole thing. I walked all the way over there.
Then what?
Look at me.
Crazy.
I'm totally soaked. I went right over there. The water coming down so hard, very windy. My gosh.